Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sweeta. If you're new here, hi. Anyways, so in today's video, I would be talking about my hair. I never thought I'd do all this, to be honest. But still, I'm at home, so I thought why not just upload what I do with my hair. Oil my hair as you can see. And now to begin with, all I'm going to do is shampoo and condition. So for shampooing I used Be Fabulous. This is the bottle. I use this. I used to use the OGX ka coconut curl shampoo, but then I just switched up to this to try something new. And then I use the same conditioner, but better than that I like this Keratin conditioner. It's not focusing, I guess, but that is it. So I shampoo and condition, and I'll meet you guys right back. So I'll just show you my hair. It looks really weird. See, this is how I look, mad stupid. So I'll just shampoo, condition, and then I'll get back. I'm back and I'm tired.
I look like do I resemble like somebody? Ooh. Anyways, guys, so this is how they look. I guess I should move back.
So now I'm going to use this. This is Cantu's called Revitalizer. Revitalizer claims to refresh curls, reduce frizz, add shine, made with pure shea butter, and for all curl types. So, and this is 355 ml of product. It contains no sulfates, silicones, parabens, or mineral oil. And it is for how many? $10? No, I don't know how many dollars it is. It comes in dollars, so like, where is it? Where is it? I know $6 probably is what it has written. $5.95 is what it has written. So, okay, I'm going to show you. This is how the bottle is. You have to open this tab. You get a spray thing. I usually spray it like this only, like and then all I do is, okay, this is the craziest part, I tell you guys. Okay. You know, some girls wear such hairstyles. Like, okay, take this, detangle the whole thing. I wish I could show you my whole thing, but and apply this and scratch. So all you have to do, okay, and this smells like pineapple, guys. This smells like pineapple, so anybody who likes pineapple, it comes in like a jet. Watery, not watery, its density is thicker than water, but I mean, oh come on bro. Finger detangling is all I do, and then I apply a little more on my ends, little more on my ends, applying a little more on my ends, and then scrunch it up, baby. And that's it, done. So I'll do it on the other side and the whole part, and I'll get back because there's no point of why is everything falling. So now that I have applied it and finger detangled it. I'm going to scrunch it for like 5 minutes. You can add spray water if your hair becomes dry. Shit, I'm having hair fall. Anyways, so scrunch it and sorry. My hair is already scrunched, so I'm going to scrunch it for more 5 minutes, and then I'm going to show you how it is done. The scrunching is done, you can see. So if you see any curls like if you feel that your curls somewhere is not curly enough, just coil it like this. I didn't even coil it properly. So yeah, with this we are done. Now I'm going to let this air dry and then you can see the results. So yeah guys, this is how my hair turned out to be. Yeah, and I forgot to mention that this is how my hair turned out to be, and I forgot to mention that I'm a type 3A curl pattern. Also, if you feel that your curls are still not defined, you can try finger coiling. I don't finger coil my hair that much, and that's the reason I have these natural curls form in my hair. So yeah, that's it. I guess that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. If you like, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and yeah, we'll see you until next time. Bye.